along Diwang April Magiba Manga Hajar Aniba Magiba Manga Chenye Sangtamra Ningdang Itu Treko Haturi Isayo Sangtamrikyang Anisa Zahircheba Mr. Thsatangpa Yola Sangtam Tuzara Ara Class Teranil Ara Nyanye Toprumukong Class Terila Haturi Ni Meje Aning Haturi Atahircheba Nina Tamakyang Anisi Jeren Lam Zilapo I Sangtam HSSLC Topper 8 Science Stream Lana Class Teranila Isulata Lamzila Cheroko Abigeta Sakanyare Class Terilam Hchla L Sangtam St. John Higher Secondary Tingsambana Lilen Topper 9 Achamla Sangtam Topper 11 Pilgrim Higher Secondary School Dimapur Assam Batsai Easter Tunglara Mizrahi Secondary Kohima Lile Top 14 Theramajala Mr. Teheli Topper Atza 18 Queen Mary Higher Secondary School Mokok Tungana Lile Nara Abum de Zerambana Go Sangtamra Abum Nilana Kualung Diwaku Nar Kyamotoza Kose Jere Abunubana Muachang Go Chenye Nimohir Abum we rejoice with you Go Topersra Thsatangpa Ataunanabo Topersra Narabum Tura Tesa Kunyari Narna Tuzara Hakambaku Tanginan Chezabaku Sangtama Kyang Ningse Kuchi Atahirucha Panita Kunyari Ipapekyang Isa Suzara Thsatangpa Sangtam you are welcome to Diva Kotra Banana Muachang Ko Pekacha Panita Kunyari I hope you are happy right today Kunyaruma Naning ko Turaning ko Yangning Ate your teacher
Kudi Vaina Kosaza along the Uva I invite someone now Yang Muva using mastery and I would like to introduce myself. My name is Thsatangpa and I secured 4th position in class 12 examination conducted by NBSC in 2025. Ko Ivaninza Ligise Ko Yaninza Ko Bila Ko is a Kisidong Kanglala Liro Shobai Ko is a long tour. I even a long tour.
Nayu Chin top he Majamu Baza, Nayu Turu Nakadana Cheke show, Kada Chese show, not Pekaki Yakino Atabai, Thinkia by Pakam.
So,
your parents.
Now, I think about the two routines Ade is a student life. Wall up some but came important role plays. Aren't the first is a mother financially, physically, Ali supports and spiritually and mentally, emotionally. He upon Laza aren't supports of student 80% efforts as results la converse and I would like to take example of my father and mother. If I am the those last shows like whenever I want to study, I'm the support side books the Janobala, Mahala, Kada improve some food in all these things they support me and spiritually if I sometimes they go to prayer home for fasting for me. Not only for me but also for my family, for my siblings. Haziku help somebody, he give you Chinya Ade, Jinjoma, Ishifsanko position. I would like to thank my parents and I would like to encourage all the Sangtam and Naga parents that you can also help your children to achieve higher position than mine by helping them in all aspects possible.
You do Nakang Peka Chebana, Tanginan Chezabaku, Chenye, Haturi, no Kuksha Tail Kotsamana, Turi Kansa, Alam Machang, Zayazi, Likese, Go Mrs. Hobila. Count exam without Ronum Show, exam without Ronum Shazia, your team.
It's an exam preparation. It's a study plan for the club. The study plan as a club is as a follow some maximum amount of time try because consistency is a consistent medical is an exam follow plan is as exam preparation as a for example between two students Miko does get talented that Miko does talented Miko talented was the study plan for happy exam preparation like here over back drop back order and because of that I have seen my friends are the potentials 80% thank you outcomes are 20% order thank you potentials 30% thank you output because of system planning and hard work are 80% as if you're more than their potential as you should so for me is your potential as a system could study plan like daily goals the systemized study routine as a use on try
okay come consistency at but Thsatangpa let the pejachen na mukab na lam khat saba focus saba binare come any suggestion like aspiring Sangtam future your topper sasum hazar plus 7 8 9 10 like here are telum khar chamban mali
in a hoza suggestion jini baza is a naga students especially Sangtam is a below average makal pass mark hilana sufficient is enough there but we have to come out from the team we have to come out from the mindset is a at once you could is a eastern backward here about title but me is a pushing sala is a hard work la ning could kala Sangtam roka ni hero song tabe glory fame not only to us but even to God kibani gang ila such in baza before if you're in class 8 or 9 at the new syllabus has to concentrate but class 10 now when you enter class 10 no laza study plan video di top first year to tabe second suggestions new study plan no za kaba category of student is every student can top or can so many classes is issue mo but we have to see their capability because some are good in business, some are good in sports. As if you get the rest of it, makala is as if we force an elephant to climb a tree, it is not possible.
Yes.
So that's the message.
Achar come not to pour change majila, rain majila. Hadza nalam chong chichwa machicho or azija nalam chong dena throw nothing to show about. Nalam chong expectation.
Is that here? Arcus Mushomode is as if second track brain expect side tiny subject mark as if Jorobo is already figure Joroba is as if is a Lamshum as a Michi tiny Zinamada Himi Amalako Bakudo for training Jiva hasn't Nakayami.
Now you tell us about your prayer life and no study. Not the tiny than come Bible curiosity.
In the Hisa, personally, is a student of shares before I study, is a Bible killer, and I used to pray. And after study, short break, and before sleeping, and after waking up, you daily routine.
From the Bible verse favorite melon?
It's a Bible verse Hiba. It's close to my heart because he banzi is a lesson la. What here? Because this is Proverbs chapter 16 verse 33. He we can show the dice, but God will decide where it will land. Has the isn't the machine? Is a kala succeed sometimes has a choose on.
Shit. Try got territory, Sangtam Samba. Can't change no. Along Divala, Chesa the students, the tours, the non-shocker, I know Milo, Alamkin.
In Zadi is a Sangtam students, the parents behind was English Kusani was is a Zadism, the growing economy is a Nagaland. Tabadi is as an entrepreneur, the sportsman, the business administration, like Michael Exile. As an is a Naga youth the Abu. NBS UBS la magwe apom feels la concentrate sang tabe iza khada peku humna hasalam shung dibe akhana drugs di makala addiction di hiri pajebe peku humazun hasna suggest
when you're some no more jump pecha chena 이번은 찾아봐야 갑자기 지난자 중나 내가 고세죠 그리고 원어서는 되고 세저리 그 상담을 뽑는 모두다 아데미 내니당 오늘이라 매일 샤고 닌다 당연히 타잖아 고이바 니모 펠 차르서 마시말라 고 체감 펠 사니 하자니고 뭐고 뭔가 펠 사니 하자니고 뭐고 돌리고 뭐가 무지는 세체 이 바이블 카드 기름 Philippians chapter 1 verse 6 Let me read out Philippians chapter 1 verse 6 And I am certain that God who began the good work within you will continue his work until it is finally finished on the day when Jesus Christ return. 아버지 예수 그리스도는 또 자자 되겠죠. 하여튼 못하면 다시 아버지 만나 앞이 멀어 다시라 앞이는 무치는리래. 아주 그 너닝다 지에 그때 저기를 상담 주자리 아봄 점반은 모아장 이봐 또 볼 수 있마다 가도 주자리 체니 아공 그 꽃에 제 과목을 닌다서 2026요 널 그냥 꽃에 제 아버지 만나 널 아봄 모아장